Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Black Friday over at Walgreens, and you heard me right. I have a Black Friday video for you guys at Walgreens, and they haven't really done anything in years. I don't think since like 2015 we've actually had anything decent, and they have brought the decency, and I am here for it, including a Keurig, which I've never seen on the floors at my local Walgreens, but yup. And we have some cheap Ferrero Rocher, kids' toys, and a whole bunch of beauty, skincare, the stuff that is our Christmas dreams. So we're going to talk about that. Let's really pay attention that all of this stuff starts next Wednesday, which is the 26th. Most stores will be closed on Thanksgiving Day, which is the 27th, which is Thursday. On the 28th, 29th, and 30th, I believe this sale will continue. And I'm thinking that Cyber Monday, it might float into that as well. Just Black Friday, Cyber Monday, just throw it all in one, but they might have something completely different. And a lot of us got these boosters, and apologies in advance. I did kind of mess this up in yesterday's video. This one is valid all week, so it's valid from the 23rd to the 29th. And then the second one excludes Black Friday. But did you ever look at something and you see it and you say it the wrong way? Well, I kind of did that in yesterday's video. So thank you to all the ladies who did point that out. It was a mistake. It's a 7 back when you spend 35 on everything except for the Black Friday promotional items. You would think they would include it so more people would buy those Keurigs, but who really knows? And this is valid from the 26th till the 8th of December. So load all these. They should be at the top of your digital coupons folder. Some of them might be, some of them might not be. Let's hop right into it, guys, and see how it says on the top left-hand corner, shop starting 11/26. So that's how you know this is some of the Black Friday magic. We have 50% off of a Keurig Express, the Walgreens hand mixers, coffee makers, and toasters. So the Keurig itself, if you look on the website, it's still not listed, but I believe it's 110, so it'll be 55 if you want to use $50 in Walgreens cash and pay $5. I think that is the best way to do it. The Walgreens generic mixers and all those other things, I think it's anywhere between 15 to $20 for the other items that you've probably seen in your store. Many years, Walgreens typically always went really hard with the toys of like a buy two, get two for free for Christmas. This is different where there are these dream houses and you get $20 Walgreens gift card when you buy this. We'll have to investigate that a bit more. And for the little guys out there, we have a Hot Wheels Ultimate Garage for $109 with a $20 gift card. So if you're trying to buy these larger gifts from Santa, this probably would be the way to do it. So we'll have to wait for more information starting on the 26th. We have a Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar. I know IBOTTA had rebates for some sort of Advent Lego, so double, triple check if you might have a rebate. We have the very cute Pokemon and Bluey for $24.99. Are they close to 30 right now? That's one item I really haven't looked at in the store. We have these Nerf blasters for $24.99 and a Pet Alive Duck Mama for 50% off. So she becomes alive and then helps you with your couponing haul. No, I just might have made that up. We have for $9.99, we have a 4-foot pre-lit Christmas tree. And I am loving that price. I think that's a very good price point for Christmas decor, especially if you want to decorate another room in your house. And we also have the Ferrero Rocher at 50% off. It says the holiday gift sets. Some of these gift sets are exactly like $9.99, so to be $5. So we'll have to wait and see what is presented. I know this is a favorite for a lot of people to gift, especially for my neighbors, so I'm going to look for that. We have a buy one, get two for free on the same day ornaments. Using the code 3ORN, and that's valid from the 26th to December the 6th. So that is interesting. So it's probably going to shake that out to maybe like $3 per ornament, because I think the cheapest one is $9.99. So divided by 3, yeah. The Mrs. Meyer's holiday scent. So you're going to find this at the front of the store, not with the regular hand soaps. It has to have candy canes and raffia and jingle bells on it. They're usually $5.99, so I'm guessing $3 per. Really pay attention. You just don't grab anything at the back of the store because you will be paying the $6. This is the holiday one, starting again on the 26th. A lot of us absolutely adore skincare, and for these prices, these are amazing stocking stuffers. That Maybelline three piece, we did have a $2 digital or a $3 digital, but it's conveniently expiring on Saturday, so it's going to be no dice for this. Maybe we'll get something new, maybe not. Tree Hut for $8. These are typically, I think, $12.99 at Walgreens, so a little bit of savings, like they are trying to meet us halfway. If you have register rewards, Walgreens cash, anything like that you want to throw into the mix, I absolutely would. Why not make your out of pockets a lot cheaper? Or if you want to do a monster $50 basket, this would be the week to do it. Buy one, get one free on the Energizer Duracell Walgreens batteries. So if you're grabbing something for like $18.99 for the larger packs, we have a dollar digital. It's going to shake it out to $9 per pack of really large batteries. I probably would go towards Energizer or Duracell. I'm kind of like a battery snob over here, but I like the batteries to throw it in your ornaments and then keep it there all winter or all Christmas, so I don't have to keep changing batteries all the time because that drives me bananas. We get a lot of like free 8x10 or 5x7 prints. We have frames for $5, and these are the nicer ones. They're not the cheapy, so that might make a very meaningful Christmas gift, and you get the prints for free. The number seven, lots of gift sets will be anywhere between $12 to $25, and some of these are quite spectacular. Let's not forget, guys, all this fun doesn't start till Wednesday, the 26th. So really pay attention to the dates. And that 12 days of Olive in June, the 12-day holiday calendar, I believe that's going to be, I think, $20. And it's a bunch of cute little nail polishes. And it looks absolutely adorable. We have 50% off of a London Fog scarf and wallet and charm kit. $5 for these food throws or Christmas magic blankets. I think that's perfect for anyone for a Christmas gift. And 50% off family fun games and toys. So if you look at like that cotton candy maker or the s'mores maker, they're usually what, like $20, $40. So it'll be down to 20 or even less, maybe 15 to 10, depending what you're picking up. Definitely, we'll have to look for those prices next week. We have this Sunbeam heating pad. So those are usually like $40. So it'll be down anywhere between 17 to 20, depending which one you're grabbing, because there's one that's 35 and then one that's 40. And then the massager at 50% off. I do not know how much that one is priced as of yet. And some K-Cups, Swiss Miss, Green Mountain. Put a mug in with that. $5.49 for these 10 packs, which is not a bad little price point. So I'm pretty excited by this, guys. We haven't seen anything this big for Black Friday in years over at Walgreens, and we'll have to see how this one plays out. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.